baby mama.
What?
She gon' put it on you. She gon' be your baby mama. Drop,
One month, 2 months, 3 months, hit the baby mama with a step into the dog. Yeah, taking it, but I gotta take now. Tryna make some money, rockin' music from the style.
Whoa.
Double up.
Tell them my people, it's sad, it's sad, it's sad. You know, looking at that young female. Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Don't know the thing, a new link there from New Link Production. You remember the other day, people, when I did feature the video with this lady who passed away in England, and I said she was the sister of Willie Agatha, and that's her last dance. Well, now, people, this lady here in this video, nice young female, who has also passed away recently, people. You understand? Yes, people. And they say she died while giving birth, and that's her last dance at her baby shower, people. Enjoying herself. You understand? As I can see her belly, pregnant belly up there. And them say, while giving birth, she not make it, people. She was a student who even attended the University of the West Indies, people. You understand? She was a brilliant girl, successful girl. And somebody post on Facebook about this girl, said the last time them see her like a month ago, people. And she was talking about buying her car and stuff. You know what I mean? And the person I say must be careful and thing. And you know what I mean? That means they have a good relationship like that. She was a girl who have a future plan. You know what I mean? Who was like ready to take on the world now. You know what I mean, people? And to tell your boy, only God sees and knows. That's why I tell every man on earth, you know. You see, a woman, respect a woman no matter what. You get me? Respect a woman. Because when a woman bring forward a child, as father we do respect our daddy and love our father, see me. But that's when you see a woman go out there to give labor, we just don't know. They not have to make it, people. And she's not the first person or first female I've seen passed away while giving birth. You understand? But the greatest thing, people, I'm not going to really say, but good thing is her baby has born. You understand? So this baby now going to come up not knowing her. Boy, I'm not telling people, it's sad. It's sad, it's sad. In this time, people, only just sees and know. When, as me say it most of the time, when we are worried about something else, you don't know your life can just snatch away by something else. You know what I mean? And it's just sad. And I just want to say, her name is, I think, Tiana. Rest in peace. You know what I mean? And to the family of this beautiful female, I just want to send out my deepest condolences to all of them. You understand? Her baby daddy, everybody, you know what I mean? Her friends, our fellow students who and them used to go school together, classmates, everybody, you know what I mean? Just send out my deepest condolences and may our soul rest in peace. Just sees and he knows. You know what I mean? So, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know the thing going on. This is New Link from New Link Production, and we say attack. Peace, love, and respect. Remember to please do subscribe. When I do subscribe, please hit that notification bell icon so when New Link drop a video, you'll get them. Peace out and respect and stay blessed. Rest in peace, baby girl. Big up.